Hello. In this video you will see the construction stages of an oven that you can use as a multi-purpose oven on your own. You can cook almost anything you want in this oven. For example, you can cook bread boiling, frying and roasting, potato dinner, boiling, roasting, casserole dinner, all boiled dishes, pizza, most of the vegetable and meat type foods. I have shared with you the detailed measurements of this multi-purpose oven I have made and all the materials I used. I hope you will make such an oven in your garden or in a suitable place. For the continuation of such videos, please like this video and turn on notifications. You can subscribe to my channel. The materials I used to start with: 30mm, 40mm iron profile, frame size 1 meter by 1 meter, pieces of bottle glass in various colors, 2 kilograms of rock salt to be mixed with the glass pieces. In the second stage, you have broken glass bottles, rock salt and rock sand, so think of it as a kind of gravel sand. Rock sand is often used in asphalt works. You can find it easily. The reason why we use stone sand is that it does not give all the heat to the bottom ground. It keeps the heat on the surface. Third stage. This is a mixture of stone sand, marble dust, and cement. Let's remember in order. We made the floor of the kiln with a mixture of bottle glass shards, rock salt, stone sand at the bottom, and stone sand, marble dust, and cement at the top. Let it freeze for a day. Stage 4. In this stage we laid the floor of the kiln with fire bricks, made the door of the kiln, and prepared for the fourth stage to use a round circle mold. Stage 5. At this stage we start building the outside of the oven with red fire bricks, using bristle soil between the bricks. Another name for this soil is tandoori soil. We make round iron molds to make the inside of the oven oval upwards. The oven pipe is 40 centimeters. The degree of the pipe is 45 degrees. The height of the oven from bottom to top is 70 centimeters. You can make the oven by following the next steps. If you need help, you can ask me for help by commenting. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching. The other material I used after the bricklaying of the kiln was finished was glass wool. Other name is isoglass, keeps the heat for a long time. We stick the glass wool material on the last brick after the bricklaying process with bristle, that is, tandoori soil. Then we plaster it again with bristle soil.